Hey there guys, this is Code Tutorial for you back with another Edabit problem. This one's called Similar Bread. So it says, given two arrays which represent two sandwiches, return whether both sandwiches use the same type of bread. The bread will always be found at the start and end of the array. So as you can see from the examples, white bread, okay? And then this array has white bread. So it is true. Let's go to this example. Starts off with brown bread and brown bread at the end. And the second array has white bread and then white bread. So it's false. This one has toast, toast. The second array has brown bread and toast. So since it starts with brown bread, it's false. So remember, we're going to be given two arrays and we got to return whether both sandwiches use the same type of bread. So let's go to the code tab. So as you can see, it's going to be a bool function. So we're going to return true or false. And we're going to have two arguments, which is array 1 and array 2. So let's go with if array 1 front. We're using this, so the front is going to check out, like let's go to the test. So it's going to check in the array, it's going to check the very front of the array. So like the first element of the array. So we're going to check, this is array 1 right here. So we're checking it in the front portion right now. If array 1, remember array 1 dot front is equal to array 2 dot front, because this is array 2, okay? So then we're going to do the same with and array 1 dot back. So this back means that the last thing in the array, so the last thing is white bread for array 1, and is equal to array 2 dot back. So let's go over it again. If array 1 front, which is this, is equal to array 2 front, and array 1 back is equal to array 2 back, we're going to return true. And anything else, we're going to return false. See if it passed the test. As you can see, it passed all the tests. If you liked this video, don't forget the like button and subscribe for more Edabit problems. Thank you.